Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I got the Fabfitfun summer box in the mail. This is my first annual Fabfitfun box. I got the spring box as like the first box I've ever tried from Fabfitfun, and I liked it so much I decided to subscribe. So when you are a annual member, you get a few more perks than if you're just signing up like monthly. You get to pick most of your products that go in the box, which is exciting because then you know that you're actually getting things that you like. And then you do save a little bit of money as well. And I'll write that over there. But anyways, so the first item that I picked, you had the choice between the blow dryer, the lotus towel, the bum cream, or the kimono. And those are the options right there. And I actually couldn't decide between the kimono and the mini hair dryer, so I did the mini hair dryer, and then I added the kimono into my box as well. So if you are a annual member and you sign up and it's still available, you can click on your selection, and then for another like 15, 10 or 7 depending on the category, you can add on another item. So I got the mini hair dryer as my selection. And it is so cute. It is tiny. So I feel like it'll probably take a little bit of time to blow dry your hair, but it's adorable. And it is a travel size, so I feel like that's awesome that it takes up hardly any room in your suitcase. And then it does come with the 2 attachments as well. It has like a flat attachment. And then it has like for if you're trying to like curl your hair or whatnot. There's that attachment as well. So I'm super excited about this. I feel like it's even more adorable than I thought it would be. And there are 2 different stages on it, so I'll have to give this a try and let you know what the power is on that. Alright, so now I'm going to open up the rest of the box as well. And here is the kimono that I decided to get as well, because I couldn't decide. It apparently has pockets. It's super lightweight. It has like a little band around it, like a belt. And I was kind of like looking through all of the reviews, and it looks like there's a bunch of different ways to wear it. So at the end I'll try it on and I'll show you what it looks like on me. So that was the first 2 selections, and the blow dryer is worth $60 and the kimono is worth $60 as well. So far those 2 items alone make the box worth the money because I only paid $15 extra for the kimono. Alright, so the next item that you got to choose was between the rose gold facial masks, the tie-dyed bowls, the diamond tote, or the black felt leather letterboard. So, and I chose the masks. I love doing masks, so that's what I chose. And this is a 5-pack of masks. And those were worth $160. So, and they're supposed to be like a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. So they're supposed to be good masks. So that is the second item that I chose as an annual member. The third item, you can pick workout bands, necklace, or the silicone wine glasses. So there's a necklace of bands, and then the wine glasses are at the bottom. And I chose the necklace. The necklace is super cute. It has stars on it, which I feel like is pretty versatile. And it comes in this cute little bag. And it's just a dainty, cute necklace. So that was worth $50. So I feel like we're doing pretty good so far. All right, so the next one, I chose the mystery item, but you could also get the eyeliner, or you could get the No Frizz Nourishing Style Cream. And I chose the mystery item for mine, which is worth $24. And the mystery item is a cleansing oil. It's kind of like a gold color. That's what that was. So it's a cleansing oil. It looks nice. It smells good. It's supposed to be a truffle therapy cleansing oil. And that's by Skin & Co. And the last item that I picked was the Restore Healing Balm. And you could also choose the Culotta Organic SPF Makeup Setting Spray, or you could choose the Refining Micro Polish. So, and there's a picture of those. And this was a hard decision. I have really dry hands. I work somewhere where I have to wash my hands all the time, so my cuticles get super dry. So as soon as I saw in the video that you could put it on your cuticles and then it would help kind of moisturize those and soften them up, that's why I chose the Restoring. But you could also add on, if you're an annual member, the Culotta for like $7. So I thought about doing that, but I didn't. I picked the kimono instead. So, but here is the Restoring Cream, or Healing Balm. So I'm excited about that. So that was the last of the items that you got to pick. So now we are on to the items that come in every box that you don't pick. So the first one is the Invisibobble, and I love these. This is like what I use in my hair every day. They're amazing, and these are $16, which I feel like is pretty awesome. You get 6 of them in here. They work so much better than like regular hair bands, like the black elastic hair bands. They hold your bun like way better than those. So I'm super excited about these because I buy these every day anyways. So I was excited to see these in the box. And the next one is a clay violet brightening purple clay mask. That's a mouthful. All right, so basically like a clay mask for the next one. I like the color of the bottle. Let's see. Yeah, so we'll see. I'm gonna open it up real fast and see what it looks like. So it is purple. I don't know if you can see that, but it is a purple mask, so it matches the bottle. This is great because I usually use masks anyways. That's why I got the other masks. So I always like taking baths and putting masks on. Makes your skin feel nice and revitalized. So, and the last thing is the Spray All Day Rose Spray. There's that. And I already use like a rose spray every day anyways, so this is another good product for me. And especially like in the summer, or if you're traveling a lot, like your skin gets really dried out from traveling in the airplanes, so it is awesome to always have a spray like this that you can spray as soon as you get to your destination. And it smells like rose, which I love the smell of rose. So this is another really good one for me. And that one is worth $25.95. And the last one was $39. All right. And the last item that we got in our box was a exfoliating foot mask. And that is it right there. And that one is worth $32. That's it. I've never used a foot mask before. I know that I do have dry feet, so I'm excited to try this out and see how it works. Yeah, it says it's supposed to soothe and smooth. It has black tea leaf extract in it, so I'm excited to try that out. Summer, obviously your feet get very dry from walking around in flip-flops and whatnot, and I'm really bad about lotioning my feet as well, so this will be good for summer. Get my feet nice and smooth. So that is everything that was in the box. I think altogether mine was worth $460. I think that's what the website said, something around that price. So I'm excited for everything that I got. It was definitely worth the price that I paid, which was like $45 for everything here. So I'm excited to try some of the products and see how they work. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you have comments, just write below. And subscribe if you're interested in seeing the Cause box. I'm getting that summer box as well. And then I'm going to try to do like a comparison between the two on which ones I thought were the best bang for your buck. And I'm also going to do a online glasses subscription I bought from Zinnies and from Firmoo. So I'll be comparing those as well. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Hi guys, so I have the kimono on now here. It has an attached kind of ribbon on here, and then it does have pockets in the front as well. I feel like it fits really well. The sleeves are kind of like a shorter sleeve, and it's a very like breathable material. So, and you can either kind of like tie it up in the front here, make a little bow. Otherwise I have all kinds of different ideas as far as like how to style it. And it hits me kind of above the knee. I know you can't really see, but yeah, so I'm really happy with that. I only paid like $15 for this, so it's definitely worth the extra $15. Thanks